Guys, we at it again. We got Subway's new foot-long cookie and their foot-long churros. And we about to try it with some ice-cold milk. About to slap some ice. Bam! Got the milk. Everybody make sure to subscribe and leave a comment down below saying that I subscribe. First, we're going to start off with their foot-long cookie. Nice and fresh out the oven. Foot-long cookie came in nice and chocolatey and soft today. Very hot too. Yeah. Look at that. Got the nice chocolate in there. Nice little bev right there. Now let's try out their full-on churro. Surprisingly, it tastes mad good with the milk. Nice and sweet. Very soft. Oh yeah. Very sweet churro. Nice fresh out the oven. Nice and baked. Not too hard. I give the full-on cookie and churro a pass.